Legends, welcome back to the channel. This is a really quick video showing you around this. This is a Proton 1.3 GL. It's something that I have filmed just getting off the train. I've picked it up today and I wanted to just share with you inside. The car's looking a bit worse for wear because it has been subject to crime. It has been broken into and vandals have been inside and damaged the car. So there's door trim missing, and this is a really quick video, just a sneak peek really, showing you around the car. That's me describing that they've ripped out the plastic from inside the door when they've tried to break in. They've actually been unsuccessful within breaking in the driver's side. They've pulled that trim off and caused some damage, but they haven't actually managed to gain entry to the car. It's the passenger side which they have managed to do so. You can see the car is looking a bit dirty. That is because the owner goes to university and hasn't driven it for a while. And there's a few hub nut stickers on there as well. But overall, the car is actually in quite good condition, aside from being walked over and vandalised. There's the original sticker, the dealer sticker. And you might recognise this number plate, M390OAN, if you're on Weird Car Twitter. It's Bill, and Bill used to belong to Chloe and Samantha, and then was sold to Kez, and Kez has now betrothed it to me, and it's my job to get Bill back on the road and looking in tip-top condition. But Bill actually is in wonderful condition. I'm looking forward to driving him. This is the passenger side. Then you can see that trim is missing. It's in the passenger footwell. And there's general odds and sods in the car where Kez has kept everything. But the great news is nothing has been lost. Everything has been kept, which is brilliant. You can see in the door shuts there as well, the actual structure of the car, very, very nice and clean, and all that interior looking good. Chloe added these. She added these speakers. I was really mad with her at the time, but actually they look quite good. They've stopped working, however, so I need to do some investigating into those. You can see these lines on the mirror and the windows. That is from CSI. Yes, CSI. The police came out and did some fingerprinting of the vandals, so hopefully they will be brought to justice. You can see that it needs a good old clean. Inside and out, and that's something I will be doing in the coming days. Now, there's some accident damage to the side because Kes sadly was involved in an incident. However, he has managed to repair the car the best to his ability, and that front wing is just looking a little bit flat because it needs a bit of a polish. Going on to the driver's side then, we can take a look at the boot, and then we're going to take a look at the engine bay before the end of the video. In the boot then, we've got the usual stuff. We've got some bits and pieces, some wheel trims. They're not the original wheel trims. And there's some just general dirt and the such. I will end this video just by looking in the engine bay at the 1.3 triple valve engine. It's actually a 12 valve. If you've liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And loads more Proton stuff coming on the channel between now and the end of next week. Until then, have a great day. Thanks for being with us. And I hope you've enjoyed the video. More coming soon. Take care. Goodbye.